Heading into the 2024 edition of Survivor Series and its marquee WarGames match, WWE fans were eager to discover the fifth member of Team Rhea Ripley. Initially, the team's lineup seemed straightforward, featuring Jade Cargill, Bianca Belair, Io Sky, and Naomi. However, a kayfabe injury sidelined Cargill, leaving the team at a disadvantage with only 4 members. As Paul Heyman pointed out on SmackDown, a WarGames match requires equal teams, prompting speculation about who would step in for Cargill. Fans speculated about several candidates, including Charlotte Flair and Becky Lynch, but ultimately, Bayley was chosen as the fifth member, a decision backed by Naomi. Bayley made a dramatic entrance during a crucial match, helping Belair secure a victory against Nia Jax, which further solidified her place in the WarGames lineup. While Bayley has a history of feuds with several participants, including Jax and Tiffany Stratton, her addition raises questions about the match's overall drama. She has a cordial relationship with Naomi, little animosity towards Ripley, and her former ally Io Sky has seemingly shifted to a babyface role. Despite the potential lack of tension, Bayley's experience and skill as a worker elevate the match's quality, making her a solid backup choice. The storyline around Cargill's injury has been crafted to suggest a lengthy absence, with WWE announcing several severe-sounding injuries. According to Dave Meltzer, Cargill is indeed injured, with a minimum recovery timeline of 3 months. If Cargill were healthy, Bayley might not have been selected, but WWE's decision to bring her in as a replacement showcases their ability to adapt to unexpected challenges, enhancing the match's overall competitiveness.